Da.
Is there any way that
Hey,
they
why am
have
I
an
saying?
issue
I'm not saying that.
between the cow gas projects? Maybe.
Oh, daddy.
You gotta get your job done.
Cheese.
Will you teach me, Liz? I will teach you.
Oh, CJ, my dog.
Your training begins tomorrow.
At the crack of noon. As you see, we spare no expense when we unbox stuff. We're watching Tenacious D as we unbox this Switch. It's so beautiful. So beautiful.
Or is it the single most powerful stage move in any rocker?
I swear to God, if there's a game in here, though. If there's a game in here.
Give me a power slide. Full throttle.
Full throttle.
No fear.
No fear. Oh, what is this? I know what this is. There actually should be
How did it look?
a button here. Oh! Ah! I turned it on! I'm sorry, Nintendo! Dude! Look at it, look at it. Look, are you looking? You're looking, you see it. Do you see the market saturation? Yes, it's beautiful. I'll slide you one of the things, son. What is this? This is an HDMI. HDMI. Stop. And then we have the power out. Ooh, it's like a baby.
I think so. You better know. Because there's going to be 10 times hotter when it's actually.
What are you? Oh, hey, it's one of the little things, the thing, and then it does the thing. You got two of them. You got two of them. Quality product here. Quality. You know what you get? You know what you get with Nintendo? You get a quality product. You get a scene. What is this? It's rectangular. It's a dock. It's a dock. Don't bring your boats. It's not that kind of thing. I'm stupid. It's bubble wrap. It's a dock. Lucy lost her docking, and this is a docking. Okay, now that we got that situated, we're gonna plug the Joy-Cons into the Switch. Look at it. Half done. We're gonna do the other half. Baby. It even makes a sound. What language are we gonna go in? We're gonna go English. America! This is America. We don't do that here. Please turn away for the moment so I can enter my Wi-Fi password. Don't want people to know right now.
Let's score me a dime back. What? $10 worth of weed? Tell me what the Bob Marley extra crispy. I know what you're talking about. All right, dude. Roger that.
Okay, we're good now. You can not. That camera on your iPhone is amazing, though. That thing. We're connected to the internet. Hey, Lamau. And it's touchscreen. Los Angeles. We're not in Los Angeles. Midway. No, get out of here. What time is it? On my phone.
Dude,
It's Search for Sasquatch. 10:08. It's 10:10. So we're gonna go do.
When you are able to snatch this remote from my hand, you will be ready.
Is there a central?
I just snatched it.
Apparently, oral is a time now. Oral. What time is oral? The best time. We're just gonna go. Is there anything close? What's closest?
Your training is complete. You will be ready to audition.
Yeah.
The what?
There's too many places on this thing.
Project. Oh, right.
Can I go to Dallas or something?
Hey, aren't you the guitar guy?
We're sending it to Denver.
Yeah. I'm Lee. Hey. Whoa. You guys putting on a concert? Can I watch? Half up the pie?
Tell me to attach the Joy-Cons.
I don't know if that's such a good idea. What do you think it's going to be like when we play the Coliseum? No strangers allowed? Okay. Let the simulation begin. So, should I sing a song?
Okay, I'm not gonna worry about
You know
that. I
what?
don't
I'm
want
going
to
to
do
start
it.
off stage and come out, because that's the way I like to imagine it. Just come through. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, what's up? I'm JB from the Kyle Gas Project. Get on with it, dumb shit. Alright, Jesus, do it, man. The Kyle Gas Project is out of control.
All right. Okay, we're good. We'll skip that for now.
You turn it to a diamond from a piece of gold.
Yeah, we're not kids. Okay, that's done. I just find these to show up at the house. I blame schools. Oh. Oh, yes. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Now, we're going to do the obligatory thing for unboxing a Switch cartridge. Oh, inside the box. We're going to do the obligatory Nintendo Switch cartridge opening thing. Ah! Ew. Ugh. It tastes like doo-doo. I don't know what doo-doo tastes like. Here, what do you put the thing? Game card. No! Why you do this? Get in here, Zelda. Okay. I heard it. It's doing a thing. It's doing a thing. Where's the... While that's loading, we're going to set up the dock. How long is this video so far? 9 minutes. 9 minutes. This is America. We work at our own pace here.
You lied to me.
You lied to me. God, man. You don't know Dio.
You don't know, Dio. Hey, who's been in search of Sasquatches on?
Ah! Oh! Would y'all look at that? You just like, I think, just like in health class. Just gotta. Yeah, baby. So, from what I've heard, Zelda, the new Zelda, is like Dark Souls. So we're looking at Hyrule Souls. Know what that means? It means I'm gonna die a lot. Boom. Hey, get the footage on that one. Actually, don't do that. Don't do that. We could get sued. Boom. Man.
What are you doing? What are you packing?
Move back to my mom's.
Let's go back to my mom and dad's. I'm broke. I already spent the last rent check.
Oh, you fucking dick. What'd you spend the money on? Huh? An official Professor Bullshit degree? What'd you spend the rent on?
Got a gift for you. Baboon.
I got that for you.
Okay. Secure them Austin Miller. Hold on, Link. Is it doing it? Boy, he about to do it. He did it, yo. There it is. Yeah, jeez. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look. Hey, I need my sword. I'm about to sit down and be a fatty. This is the longest hands-on time I've gotten with the Switch, and I work at a game store.
That is a Sheikah Slate.